Now children, today let's start with chapter number first, that is understanding diversity. So in this chapter I will tell you about the meaning of diversity. Diversity means state of being diverse. We see different types of people in our surrounding. Some wear dhoti kurta while some wear kurta pajama. कुछ इंग्लिश बोलता है, कुछ हिंदी बोलता है, कुछ मराठी बोलते हैं. So डिफर करता है. कुछ अलग रिलीजन फॉलो, कुछ हिंदुइज्म फॉलो करते हैं, कुछ इस्लाम, कुछ क्रिश्चियनिटी फॉलो करते हैं. Now diversity in India. So India is a big country and also world largest democracy. We have mixed racial, linguistic, religious and social groups, and the country is big and the variation in the geographical features provide ways of diversity. It leads to prejudice, discrimination, inequality, communalism, casteism, regionalism and Hinduism. So we can say when there is a drought in one area, flood creates havoc in other parts. When the people wear woolen in the north, what fans are used down in south. Characteristics of diversity. So what first is different language. Because we basically 22 languages are spoken in our country, India. Now in different places, different languages spoken. What are the 22 languages? That is Hindi, Sanskrit, Punjabi, Sindh, Gujarati, Marathi, Bengali, Assamese, right? Odia, Konkani, Tamil, Kannada, Santhali, Maithili, Bodo, Dogon. Or Hindi is my national language. Now many religions we follow different like Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Zoroastrianism. These are the different religions that are followed. Now different culture. Culture in India is a mix. What is culture? It is the feature of the society or a social group. Its diversity is everyday reality. Every festival, irrespective of the religion, is associated and it is celebrated throughout the length and breadth of the country. Festival, there are a number of festivals celebrated by Indians. Regional characters of historical development and the economic activity. वो क्या करती है? Influence करती है cultural tradition. Festival of Baisakhi, Lohri, they are celebrated. Onam is celebrated. Bihu in Assam, Pongal in Tamil Nadu. And interesting is fact that we celebrate winter harvesting season. Like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, they are also celebrated in India. If we talk about dance and music, it exists in the field of dance and we have two types, classical and folk dance. Classical dance में आपका कथक हो गया जो पॉपुलर है आपका इंडिया का, नॉर्थ इंडिया का, भरतनाट्यम तमिलनाडु, कथकली केरला, उड़ीसी, कुचिपुड़ी, मणिपुरी, and we have folk dance. They are simpler and are mostly. If we talk about classical folk music, they are sung during weddings and festivals. फूड हैबिट्स देखो डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे लोग अलग अलग तरीके की फूड खाते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल कुकिंग ट्रेडिशन. वी हैव पीपल इन कोस्टल एरिया जो राइस, कोकोनट एंड फिश को प्लांटिंग में कंज्यूम करते हैं. वहीं अगर हम बात करें नॉर्थ की, वहाँ पे लोग व्हीट पल्सेस ज़्यादा खाते हैं. क्लोथ्स, ईच रीजन ऑफ द कंट्री हैज डिफरेंट टेरेन एंड क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन एंड देयरफॉर ईच रीजन डेवलप डिफरेंट लाइफस्टाइल एंड कल्चर. सो वी कैन से दैट वे ऑफ लिविंग की अगर हम बात करें इन इंडिया, people live in the family which are of two types, joint family and nuclear family. Joint family is the family in which children with their parents, grandparents, right, uncle, aunt live together. Nuclear family, father, mother live with their children. In India, अगर आप देखेंगे joint family अब भी exist करती है, but they are very less now. Now, reason for diversity in India. First is caste system. Various caste distinction led to inequality. In ancient times, Indian society always been divided over caste issue. Right, the caste distinction leads to inequality in the minds of people. So inequality of income, मतलब wealth जो है inequality high है and create diversity, which is when person does not have resources and opportunity available to other person. So a significant portion of Indian population still does not have enough to eat and wear and place to live. If we talk about historical factors, so what are historical factors? People travel on foot, horses and camels. In few places, they go to new lands in search of jobs, work, and they travel from one place to another. They also get things in the old ways. In the process, their language, food, culture, and religion become a mix of old. और जो intermixing of culture होता है, what it's created something new and different. Right? So, if we talk about geographical factors, it influence diversity, dresses, food habit, culture, custom, सबको दिखता है. Right, like in Bengal and Bihar, people like preparation of rice because these states are good for cultivation of paddy. If we talk about Kashmiris, they wear long woolen firan, cold region में जिनको क्या रखता है? Warm रखता है. Now, unity in diversity in India. All regions celebrate harvest festival. This Punjab Baisakhi, Kerala Onam, in Bihar, right? And Uttar Pradesh मकर संक्रांति, तमिलनाडु में पोंगल हो गया. ये कुछ यूनिक फीचर्स हैं. लैंग्वेज, रिलीजन और फूड हैबिट्स से डिफर करती हैं. And there are trade relation between nations that tries to bring economic development. और पंडित नेहरू coins the phrase unity of diversity in the book, and diversity of India, said that it is tremendous and people have remained there. Spectacular characteristics of hundred of years have been thought the ages distinctively of the Indians. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will reach in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.